Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through how to use the Better Search Replace plugin for WordPress. A powerful tool that helps you clean up, update, or migrate your website's database content smoothly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to search for and replace anything in your WordPress database with confidence, all while keeping your site safe. So if you've ever needed to change old URLs, fix typos, update branding, or migrate your site, this is the plugin for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, before you do anything, make sure to back up your database. Really, this is a crucial step. If something doesn't go as planned during a database operation, having a backup is like your safety net. It means you can restore everything back to normal. There are several WordPress backup plugins out there. Choose one you trust and create a full backup. Don't worry if this part takes a few minutes. It's worth every second to avoid headaches later. Now, let's get the plugin itself installed and activated. Start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, head over to Plugins on the left-hand menu, then click Add New. In the search bar at the top, type Better Search Replace. Look for the one by Delicious Brains. It's known for reliability and ease of use. Hit Install Now next to it, and once the installation is complete, click Activate. That's it, the plugin is now ready to go. To access the plugin's main features in your dashboard, hover over the Tools section in the sidebar. You'll see Better Search Replace pop up in the submenu. Click it, and you'll be taken to the plugin's interface where all the magic happens. Here's where you'll configure the actual search and replace operation. You'll see fields to search for. This is the text string, or perhaps an old website URL you need to update across your database. In Replace With, simply enter the new text or URL you want across your site. Maybe you're rebranding and updating an old company name, or migrating from HTTP to HTTPS. This is where you make that change. Now about selecting tables, your database is like a big library, with various sections corresponding to posts, options, users, and more. If you want to update everything across the entire site, you can use Ctrl+A on Windows or CMD+A on Mac to select all tables. Otherwise, just pick the specific areas you want to update. If you're unsure which tables to choose, a good rule is to stick to the default selections unless you're after something very specific. There's also an option to make your search case-insensitive. For example, if you're unsure whether your content uses ChemiCloud or ChemiCloud, tick that box to make sure you catch every instance, regardless of capitalization. Next up, there's the Replace GUIDs checkbox. I'd recommend leaving this unchecked unless your site is brand new and you're performing a migration. Updating GUIDs can affect post links and syndication. Before you leap in, I highly recommend performing a dry run. This is like a dress rehearsal. It shows you exactly how many instances will be replaced, without making any real changes yet. Make sure Run as Dry Run is checked, then click Run Search Replace. Take a moment to review the results and double-check that only what you expect will be updated. If something looks off, you can refine your selections or search terms. Once you're happy with what the dry run shows you, it's time to make things official. Uncheck Run as Dry Run, then hit Run Search Replace again. The plugin will now update your database with your changes. This part might take a few seconds, especially if you're dealing with a large site. So don't panic if it takes a little while. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you can safely and confidently update your WordPress database using Better Search Replace. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. Leave a comment if you have any questions or need clarification. And make sure to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.